Hello everyone, my name is Wendy Sanchez and it will present my activity. Company is Crow. Iceberg Company was founded in 1978. Back then, refrigerated transport for perishable product was complex. As a result of the new companies appeared fought to transport that product. I hate rise a healthy competition in that industry. The Iceberg turned as a strategic partner for the supply chain and the logistic processes of clients. In 1991, Iceberg established itself an international transport company. Thanks of this Iceberg position itself as a highly reliable and responsible company in the management of its commercial obligation. In 2001, Iceberg started the operation with Aganfano, multinational company to transport dangerous products such as oxygen and nitrogen. In 2010, Iceberg built a new headquarters in Siberia, Kota. In 2018, it received an acknowledgement for FEMSA company for its compliance, commitment and excellent land service during the years 2017. Thank you very much.